Lesson 5, Shopping.
Hello.
Hi. Welcome. How can I help you?
I'm looking for a t-shirt.
What color do you like?
I like black. Do you have a black t-shirt?
Yes. Here it is.
How much is it?
It's $15.
Okay, I'll take it. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Great. Here's my card.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Can I get a bag, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Do you have this t-shirt in a bigger size?
Yes. We have small, medium, and large. What size do you need?
I need a large one, please.
Here you go.
Can I try it on?
Sure. The fitting room is over there.
After trying it on,
It fits perfectly. I'll buy it. Do you offer gift wrapping?
Yes. Would you like it wrapped?
Yes, please. It's a gift for my friend.
All right. Here's your wrapped gift.
Do you have any discounts today?
Yes. You get 10% off if you buy 2 t-shirts.
That's great. I'll take one more in blue.
Good choice. Your total is $27.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Come again soon.